Hi, my name is Abhinna Suresh Khare and welcome to Does This AI Work? A YouTube channel where we focus on ensuring that your business can use AI tools to amplify, grow, and scale. Whether it is marketing, sales, finance, HR, operations, legal, whatever your departments are, there is an AI tool which can really change your game. So follow me at the rate Does This AI Work and know about the latest tool. And I have covered a detailed article and video on which AI tool you can use today, free AI tool on marketing to improve your marketing sense. So follow me and let's build with AI. Follow the channel Does This AI Work? Thank you.